Welcome to Wellness Wednesday. I am doing do-it-yourself laundry soap today. So I'm going to quickly go through the recipe, throw everything together, and show you how easy it is done and why it doesn't take as much time as everybody complains that they don't have time for. Okay? I'm also going to include in the comments of this post a do-it-yourself laundry label. So you can print this and add this to your own bottles so that you have it every time you need it. Okay, and I'm doing a double batch because we're a big family. So, the first thing I'm going to do is a 1/4 cup of baking soda. So I just used the regular Arm & Hammer. They're not rated for anything toxic the last time I checked, so I feel comfortable using them. And it says a 1/4 cup, and because I'm doing a double batch, I'm going to do 2 of these 1/4 cups. So I've got 1 and 2. Now it says a 1/4 cup of Castile soap. So this is Bronner's Castile soap. You can get it, Costco sells it with the peppermint in it. You can also buy it unscented at any of your local health shops. I believe this cost me $10 for 1.18 liters at Costco, so it's super cheap. And today I use 1/2 cup a month in my laundry soap, so that goes for a long time. So I'm going to do a 1/4 cup of Castile soap in each of my buckets because I'm doing a double batch. Okay, there's my 1/4 cup of Castile. Now I'm going to do a tablespoon and a teaspoon of Epsom salt. If you don't have Epsom salt or you don't like Epsom salt, you can use a coarse salt. The idea is you want to use a salt because it will emulsify the essential oils that you add later, okay? So, this is my tablespoon, 1 and 1. And now my teaspoon, 1. Okay, and I just buy any brand of Epsom salts. I've never really noticed a difference. Although I don't get them with anything in them, I get them plain, so. 8 cups of water, so I'm right here by the sink, so. It should be warm water. 4. 6. 8. Now onto my second bucket. 2. 4. 6. 8. Okay. And now I'm going to add 5 to 10 drops of essential oils. So today I picked doTERRA's On Guard, and I'm picking the Citrus Bliss. I've heard really great reviews on what this will smell like, so we're going to do 5 of each. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and I'm going to give it all a really quick stir. Try and get those salts to dissolve. Now I'm ready to pour them into my containers here. There's one. I need to rinse that out. That one's full. And there's two. And I just used old laundry containers that I already had from before, so it was super easy. And that one's really full. Okay, so that's my double batch there. I think that took me 5 minutes. I make 4 of these every month, and my family goes through 4 of them every month. We're a family of 7. So we have 5 children and 2 adults. I have little boys who wet the bed frequently and also have accidents. So we normally wash our laundry with a pre-wash and then a full cycle wash. So I use twice as much soap as what somebody else might use that doesn't have boys that have accidents. Because I don't separate my laundry. My kids throw the stuff in the wash right away. And so we go through 4 of these a month. And the math of that is it works out to a single batch is about $6. So I spend maybe $24 a month on laundry if I can buy all my ingredients on sale. Previous to that, when I was buying one of these, it was costing me $20 for one of these in the non-toxic brands. I was using Honest, and Honest wasn't rating very well on the Environmental Working Group's rating, so we decided that we would try and switch it up and do a do-it-yourself laundry soap. We've tried a lot of the Health Shop ones, not all of them. A lot of them, when they have the scent added into them, they're actually not very good scents added into it. They could be chemicals, so you have to be really careful, because even your Health Shop could be selling stuff that's still going to be toxic to your body and your health, and you're putting that right on you. You wear your clothes all day, so you are breathing that in. So I like to use doTERRA's high-end therapeutic grade essential oils, because I've had a lot of really great experience with them. So if you're interested to find out how to buy high-grade essential oils, connect with me, and I'll show you how to get a wholesale account and the best way to do it. And then for our dryer, we use dryer balls. So this is what dryer balls look like. They're basically like wool balls. How cool is that? If you're allergic to sheep's wool, usually you can find an alpaca farm, and some people aren't allergic to alpaca. So this is actually an alpaca dryer ball. And what I like to do, I have like a big basket of it, and I just drip a whole bunch of essential oils on it. And it lasts about a week, sometimes 2 weeks, the essential oils on the dryer ball. And I usually keep about 12 of them, because sometimes 2 or 3 of them get lost in the laundry, but I put about 3 to 6 of them in every load. And my family does 2 to 3 loads a day, so we do about a max of 90 loads a month, I would say. And yeah, it costs us $24 to wash about 90 loads of laundry. So I haven't seen anything yet that could beat that price. So if you have any questions or comments, let me know. I'm always curious to know what people think. And the label for the laundry soap will be in the comments. Okay? Thanks, guys. Take care. Have a good day.